So welcome back. This is now the part 2 of creating a mobile application with Create X. We stopped here. If you never followed the part 1, go and then you see part 1. Actually, we are going slowly by slowly. So here it creates what you call a recommendation. So I told you, if you go here, you can get a lot of, for example, I will show you how I develop especially my trading robots like this. I develop this trading robot that I use, even I sell using even AI. So when you go here, you can see a lot of prompt such that you can also learn how to write a prompt, because this AI, this artificial intelligence is good as long as you understand how to create a prompt, a good prompt, because in generative AI they have their way of syntax, how the prompt must look. So if you follow that guideline, you can use this platform. It's called docsbot.ai. I use a lot. For example, and now I'm developing this. It is a trading bot. As you see, for this was ChatGPT. Yeah, I will show you how to use even these codes in ChatGPT for the new beginner, to combine them to make it a professional app, because ChatGPT can give you a good wonderful code, but you don't know how to integrate, because most of you people, you guys, you are new baby in technology, you don't understand. So you need to know how to integrate, how this comes out, such that you can use it as a professional developer. Let us see what is going on with this X. So now we are waiting to preview. You see, it has created even a mobile app. This is now a mobile app. However, the app is called Signal Trader. So this is now, I think this is my front part. You see, it looks amazing. It looks amazing. Even you can publish here. It looks amazing. This app, it looks amazing. So go on. For example, let me see whether on the live signal, take it all. So you see, when you try to click here, these things are not working. You see, they are not working. Let me see. It embedded the eToro link. You see, it embedded this. This is a half link, I know it. But now what we need to make sure, signal today, I think it changes. Let me see. Start trading. All these are not working. Now, this is now a front part. So after building the front part, in another video, I'm going to show you how to put the back end. Because we have a lot of questions that AI cannot develop back end. But for me, I think that it can develop back end. Just you need to know how to integrate it, how to use it to develop the back end. But now we have developed the front end, which is not active as it's supposed to be, because we want all this active. We need to add notification, because when you see we have education, we have portfolio, So let me publish, and I see. I will not publish. Do not forget to subscribe. In the next video, I'm going to show you how I'm going to take my files, then I develop a professional mobile app using ChatGPT AI, the new clock. So this is the end of our video. We finally developed a front part. In just a second you can see it. In the next video, we want to put this one, we want to change the colors, the beauty, the font, because when you see even the font, they are not professional. You see, even you can publish, but this one is not ready. Oh my god, Do not forget to subscribe. We will meet in the next video. Support the channel, subscribe, share.